good to see you. Welcome back to Kari's Kitchen. Today I'll be making quick dinner rolls. So we add some water with a little bit of brown sugar at the bottom, 1 teaspoon of yeast, about 25 grams of olive oil. Always crack your eggs before you put it in your recipe to avoid eggshells. Some flour, after you knead for 15 minutes and you scrape. Yeah, this is a rich dough, so you have to work in it. Scrape the sides out to avoid it from sticking. Add a tiny bit of olive oil to the top. Form this into a ball. Cover it up and let it sit in the oven with the oven light on for an hour. So about an hour, you have this rich, beautiful dough. A little bit of flour, not too much, just a little bit so it doesn't stick. Okay, and you shape them. Grease your pan with a little bit of olive oil and put them in there, arrange them in there, and then cover it up for another 45 minutes to an hour, and then it's time to bake it. Brush some olive oil on top of the bread to keep it from drying out. It's all nice and risen. Then you put a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit of egg wash on top. This gives it a nice sheen. Time ready for dinner. Sprinkle a little bit of everything bagel on top. Smells so good. Can't wait to dig in. There you go. Put it in the oven, 350 for 35 minutes. Look at that beauty, guys. Oh, gorgeous, delicious. Ready to dig in. Yes, nice, hot, fresh, straight from the oven. Until next time, bon appetit!